If your woman is masculine in certain aspects, just know that in those same aspects, you're feminine. Because you cannot attract a masculine woman and be a masculine man, because masculine and masculine cannot attract each other because there's friction there. So if you want her to be more feminine, you have to initiate by becoming more masculine in those areas. And you do that through healing the masculine aspects of you, because those are wounded. There's trauma there. For her, because she's in her masculine, her feminine is wounded. So when you first initiate, then you become masculine, and because she's in her masculine, you will reflect to her that which she lacks. And then either she will meet herself and her wounds and try to heal them, or she will try to run away because it's too uncomfortable, it's too painful for her to meet herself. But you have to know that you only attract the opposite of you. So if she's masculine, then you're feminine. But it's not that there is this one aspect of us that makes us masculine or feminine. There are many things where we choose to either be masculine or feminine depending on our past and our wounds that we need to heal.